Welcome. In front of me is a Poco C65, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen like so, and swipe down once again right over here to extend the list of toggles. Between those toggles, we're looking particularly for the Do Not Disturb mode. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. But for me, Do Not Disturb mode is located on the second page right over here. Now it is shortened to just DND, but once you see it, you can hold it. If you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it, because this will take you to the settings, and here you can gauge on how it's set by default, and if something doesn't fit your exact needs, you can obviously change that. So taking a look, let's see, I'm gonna ringtones and notifications. There we go. So you have Do Not Disturb mode right over here under sound options. I'm gonna click on it, and again, we don't have very many things to customize here, as it looks to be the case for Poco in general. But it's still, here you have the button to turn it on and off. So that's one important thing. Another one will be the notify about repeated callers. This is enabled by default, as you can see. And what it does is, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here, which is notify about calls. And if, for instance, you selected that no one can call you during this mode, if someone meets this requirement here, they will bypass whatever you have selected here. It's a good option for emergency purposes. Usually people will meet that requirement, and primarily only then will they meet that requirement. People don't tend to call you, spam call you, if they don't really need something. Now, another option, important one, will be the schedule turn on time. Now, we can select right here, add rule, and then we can name it whatever we want, and we can then select start, end time, and also choose the days of the week that we want it to run during. So let's just say I'm gonna create one from Monday through Friday, and it starts at, let's make it not PM but AM. Let's make it 8 till 5. There we go, good enough. And now that I have set this timer specifically, if I toggle it on, or basically save the settings, it automatically will become enabled. So you can see there is no Do Not Disturb mode running right now, and I'm just gonna showcase this. So as you can see, it is off, and if I toggle it on, it automatically turns on. You can see it right over here, and again, if I pull down my notifications and navigate, you can see that it now became enabled. Now the reason for that is, it is under this kind of parameters right here, so it is right now 4:25, and this is running till 5, so it's going to be running for another 35 minutes. So there we go. Now this would allow you to basically have a fully automatic schedule. This will turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode at a provided time, giving you this kind of freedom so you don't have to worry about it. But for everyone else who wants to enable it on random occasions, again, just find the toggle. I'm gonna turn it off first. Find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and then you can tap on it once you're done again to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.